So a question came up recently about whether or not you could refinance a reverse mortgage. And yeah, the answer is yes, you can do a refinance on a reverse mortgage. Technically, there's no prepayment penalty on a government-insured reverse mortgage. So couple points to that. Number one, you don't have to hold that loan forever, although typically someone would want to stay in that loan as long as possible because of the cash flow incentives and how much it helps people live on a month-to-month basis. But yes, at any time you can refinance a reverse mortgage and get out of that if something changed in your life, if you won the lottery, I guess, or something like that. But additionally, you can do a refinance of a reverse mortgage and put another reverse in its place. And the reason why people are doing that, people want to refinance to get a lower rate and, more importantly, increase the amount of the line of credit that's available to them in their reverse mortgage line of credit. So that line of credit is a really cool feature. This line of credit grows, has a growth factor to it. And so oftentimes if people's homes have appreciated significantly over the last 3 or 4 or 5 years, they could refinance a reverse, put a new reverse in its place and get a larger line of credit because it becomes a nice safety cushion for them and it gives them more flexibility if they were to ever need the money in the future. And lastly, remember, any funds pulled out of a reverse mortgage are non-taxable. You're not going to get taxed. You're not going to get a 1099 at the end of the year because it's part of a loan. So it must be paid back when you sell the home at some point in the future. So no prepayment penalty. There's a ton of flexibility. And again, the real reason people are doing these reverse mortgages primarily is to generate more monthly cash flow and to reduce their overall monthly payments, which helps them especially in the time of life when they're retired or semi-retired. Thanks.